Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankita Mallick, and in this video I created this very simple Indian makeup look for Rakshabandhan. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then please continue watching. With a clean face, I am taking the Nykaa Skin Potion Glow Boosting Facial Oil and taking few drops of it, and I am applying it all over my face so that my skin gets well moisturized and also makes a perfect base for the application of the foundation. Next, I am taking the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer and applying it on my T-zone area and also on my cheeks to reduce the appearance of the pores. That also helps in giving a smooth base for the rest of my makeup and helps your makeup last longer. Next, for the foundation, I am taking the Lakme 925 Primer+Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in shade Neutral Nude and also the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in shade 330 Toffee, and mixing both the foundations, I am applying it on my face with the help of my finger and then using a damp beauty sponge to blend in all the products on my skin. I'm not applying the foundation under my eyes because I'm going to cover up those dark circles with the concealer. Next, I'm taking the L.A.Girl Pro HD Concealer in shade Pure Beige and I'm applying it on my under eyes. And also on my eyelids to make a perfect base for the application of the eyeshadows. I am taking the damp beauty sponge and blending in all the concealer, making sure it doesn't get deposited on my crease lines. Next, I am taking the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in shade Medium Beige and applying just 2 dots to highlight my under eyes and also on my eyelid just to lighten it a little bit more so that the eyeshadows pop out perfectly. Blending it out with my damp beauty sponge. This step is completely optional. If you want to highlight your under eyes, then you can choose a lighter shade concealer like this and do it, or else you can completely skip this step. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Light Medium and setting my under eyes using another clean damp beauty sponge. Just gently pressing the powder with the help of the sponge on the areas where I have applied the concealer. For my eyebrows, using the Incolor Delicate Eyebrow Palette in shade number 02, and I picked up this shade right here and filled in my brows. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm taking the Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette and I'm picking up this neutral shade right here and applying as a base shade all over my eyelid. I'm gonna keep it very simple and easy, natural kind of eye look that also gives a festive kind of vibe. So I'm going to pick just the neutral shades which you can easily find in your eyeshadow palette that you have with you. Next, I'm picking this brown shade right here, which is a bit darker than the first shade I picked, and I'm blending it around the outer corner of my eyes, taking it to the crease line and then towards the inner corner of my eyes. Using the same shade, I'm blending it out around the outer corner of my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking this shimmer shade and using my finger, I'm applying it all over my eyelid to add a little bit of shine. I'm using a blending brush and running it all over my eyelid so that the shimmer shade blends in with the neutral shades, giving you a natural look with a very subtle shine. Now for my lower lashes, I used the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara, and for my upper lashes, I used the Maybelline New York the Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara, which I completely forgot to film, so the clip is missing here. Moving on, I am taking the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in shade number 02 and bronzing up my face. And also contouring my nose with it. Next, I am taking the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded in shade Peaches and Cream and applying it on my cheekbones and slightly on the apples of my cheeks. Next, I am taking the Maybelline New York Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold and applying it on the high points of my face, above my cheekbone, on the temple, and on the inner corners of my eyes. And on my brow bone. I'm also applying the highlighter on the bridge of my nose and on the tip. Now for the lips, I'm taking the Lakme Enrich Lip Crayon in the shade Mauve Magic and applying it by slightly overlining the center of my lips. I'm taking the Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipstick in shade number 50M and applying it on my lips over the pink lip shade just to slightly lighten it up. I felt the eye makeup looked a little incomplete without kajals, so I am applying the Rimmel London Eye Pencil in shade Black on my waterline. And also on my upper waterline. And this is it. This is the complete makeup look. Very easy to create and looks very simple and natural. I really loved how the eye makeup turned out to be so natural yet kind of festive. I really hope you like this makeup look and create it on this Rakshabandhan. Before you go, please don't forget to hit the like button if you loved watching this makeup tutorial, and also share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Wishing you all a very happy Rakshabandhan.